In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale objects in AutoCAD. We will focus on simple scaling by factor, which is the quickest way to make an object larger or smaller while keeping its proportions intact. This is perfect for adjusting blocks, details, or any geometry without distorting shape. First, open your drawing and make sure the object you want to modify is visible and easy to select. When you are ready, type Scale or just SC and press Enter. Using the command line is fast and reliable, and you'll see AutoCAD prompt you through the process at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the object or objects you want to scale. You can click them one by one or drag a window to capture multiple items at once. If you grab something by mistake, hold Shift and click it again to remove it from the selection. When your selection looks right, press Enter to confirm. Now AutoCAD will ask for a base point. This is the anchor point around which your object grows or shrinks, and it's the key to keeping your geometry positioned correctly. Click a precise point on your object and end point. Midpoint, center, or any snap location that makes sense for your design. Using object snaps here helps maintain accuracy, especially if the object needs to stay aligned with surrounding geometry. You can also type coordinates if you need an exact location. With the base point set, type the scale factor and press Enter. A factor greater than 1 makes the object larger, typing 2 doubles its size. A factor between 0 and 1 makes it smaller, typing 0.5 reduces it to half. Keep in mind the factor must be a positive non-zero number. As soon as you press Enter, your selection scales instantly about that base point, preserving all proportions. If the result isn't what you intended, don't worry, use Undo and try a different factor. A few quick tips as you work. Choose a base point that won't shift your object out of alignment, like a fixed corner or the center of a circle. If you are scaling multiple items together, select them all before specifying the base point so they scale uniformly. And remember, scaling changes size but not units. Doubling something simply makes it twice as large relative to your current drawing scale. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.